Hi, this is Open Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2014 Holden Cruze, stock number 6479. This ran from the 3rd 2013 to the 1st 2017. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front guard no dents, left front door mirror, left front door, left rear door, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,